Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize online courses with Codecademy Pro step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Codecademy Pro account. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the courses section in the menu. Browse through the available courses to identify the ones you want to optimize. Select a course that aligns with your goals for improvement. Review the course syllabus to understand its structure and content. Take notes on the modules that you think need enhancement or additional resources. Next, explore the projects section related to this course. Identify projects that can reinforce the learning objectives of each module. Consider adding personal insights or real-world applications to the projects. Now, proceed to the practice section. Engage with coding exercises and quizzes to assess your understanding of the material. If there are areas where you struggle, seek out additional practice resources. Visit the community forum to connect with other learners. Ask questions or share your experiences regarding specific courses. Engaging with others can provide new perspectives and tips. Next, review the feedback provided on your projects and quizzes. Use this feedback to pinpoint areas of improvement. Make adjustments to your learning approach based on this feedback. As you progress, create a study schedule to manage your time effectively. Incorporate breaks to enhance focus and retention of information. Now, utilize Codecademy's built-in resources such as cheat sheets and documentation. These tools can provide quick references when working on coding challenges. If available, consider attending live sessions or webinars offered by Codecademy. These can provide direct interaction with instructors and fellow learners. Once you feel confident, revisit the projects you initially noted for enhancement. Apply your new knowledge and insights to improve these projects. Finally, reflect on your learning journey and document your progress. This will help solidify the skills you've acquired and identify future learning paths. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.